Hey guys, so guys, you all know we are in the season, we are in the period. Christmas is around the corner, guys, and I really want to show you guys a 10-minute makeup look. I want to dedicate this makeup look basically for those of you that might have a lot of things to do this Christmas period, and maybe you might not have that luxury of time to sit and do full face beats. Without further ado, please let's jump right into this 10-minute Christmas makeup look. I'm going to be using this on my face. So I'm going to be going ahead to apply my foundation. So guys, make sure your foundation is well blended. I'm going to be picking a lipstick shade in my lipstick palette as my blush. I like to place on my nose and somewhere around here. It just make that place look really beautiful. So I'm going to be going ahead to highlight my face. So guys, if you can go as far as applying your foundation and you're adding a blush to it, just keep out highlighting your under eyes, because it's going to just make a huge difference to how your eyes would look. So I'm going to give that a little bit of time to settle down, and I'm going to contour my face. I'm just going to slightly contour my face, nothing serious. Can you see how this part is well blended? And the way my eyes look here, like it looks really awake and well lifted, and that's what I like. And do my brows, and I'll be right back, guys. So guys, my brows are done. And for my eyes, I'm basically using a lip stain for my eyes, and this is from Flawless Ivy. I'm going to be using this blush. So guys, can you see how well this applied? For my liner, I'm going to be adding this chunk glitters. To use a glitter liner first. So guys, in case you are wondering, I just like to lift the outer part of my false eyelashes, you know, upward a bit, so it can give me a lifted outer part. So for my lips, I'm going to be making use of these two lips stain. And this completes my 10-minute Christmas makeup look. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Let me know what you guys think about this look down in the comment section. I love holiday season. Merry Christmas in advance, guys. Bye.